Hello there. Are you looking to turn your photos into bold comic style artwork with our comic style photo effect Photoshop action? You can create shutting comic effect in a just click, no design skill needed. This powerful action give you professional quality result in a second. Whether you are a not beginner to or an expert, you can easily transform your image into a vibrant comic style. It's fast, easy, save your valuable time. This is the preview some apply image. I just show you how it's look. This is the demo, and then I show you how to use and customize it. So what is include? You will receive a high quality PDF, PhD file, decoration purpose, and our script for effect purpose, and help file, perfect for showcasing your artwork in a beautiful layout. Don't worry if it is your first time using Photoshop action. This video will guide you step by step how to apply and custom your comic effect. Written format how to use. So first time I need to load the, if you watch these videos, then do not read the written format. So or still if you think you want to read our written format, you can do this. Select and double click is load your Photoshop automatically, or you can open your Photoshop, then go window, you can load manually. So go window and the pattern section, you can click, and mode option click, input the pattern and find out my download file there, main file comic step photo effect, and there is show pattern file. Select and load button click. Now is loaded your Photoshop pattern section. Okay. Now I want to load my script. Go window and action option click, then action option maybe show the right side or left, any other area, or the mix up the bar, but I have settled it my left side for better video showing purpose. And make sure your layer option is show. There is the layer option show. So click this option and load button click. Now you can find out the our download file there, comic step effect. Select and load button click, up and down option, and last one, this is the folder and this is the script, all in on play action play me. Now I need to open a photography, any type of photography. So I have used this time this photography first. This is open your photography in Photoshop. You can open, use the open section, or you can select and just open the Photoshop. And make sure your photography is a RGB color mode. If not the RGB color mode, then you can go check image mode and RGB color click. If show any message, click the OK button. And make sure your photography is a lock icon show and background name is background. Sometimes some photography look like transparent PNG or layer 0 format like this one. That is not accept the action make the error result. If your photography layer 0 format or other format or transparent PNG format, you need to do this step first. Right button click the layer option and fit an image option, then click this and it's set a lock background layer, and click the panel option. It's avoid your photo, it's avoid the error result. So check out all option as it is mine. This is small one and entire document, and all three are tick mark as it is. Okay. Now I want to select all in on play action play me and hit the play button, and you can check the image resolution size first. You can use any high resolution image. If you use the extra large size image, then your photography need extra time more, result come out extra time more. So I think this photography is perfect for me now, size, and this is a standard size. You can use any high resolution, and I have select all in and hit the play button. Is working. Depend result comes depend your photography, image resolution size, or PC configuration. And there is the layer we have separately arranged. So firstly result finish, then I will show you how to customize if needed the customization. You can use better quality photo, then a result must be better come out. Sometime some people are mistake the photography and not sharpening photography, not clear photography, blur photography use, then result not showing the good. Hello there, action is done working, now you can custom. This is the finishing result message. Our action script is result finish, but this is the our twist in there, and this is the effect our, but this type of looking not show. So this is the other step and second step. So wait and see, I will show you. This is the result. You can use this one your any purpose of your materials in a digital painting solution. And now I show you the some customization. This is the folder making. See, all are this folder, and if you and there is the comic effect looking halftone, and there is the sum of adjustment. This is the posterize effect. You can check it, and then your photography is posterized looking. You can use the black and white version, then it's black and white, and you can use a hard color version in black and white, then light show, and you can replace the color your photography in on color version. See the comic looking, this is the vintage style, and another photography color. See, but this time I have not needed, and black and white off, and this is the hard looking color. So you can use this adjustment if needed. Your photography is low adjustment, and this is the poster, and there is the color option, another color option you can use, and check out the all color option. And now I think if you use this extra comic halftone, see the more area in looking halftone. And now I do not like the posterized style. Now I have unchecked this one. Sometime is need some people, so this is the extra option. And see now this is the looking our final, or if you want to some area manually customize and select the marks point, this halftone marks point and the brush tool, and you can select the soft brush. This is the general soft brush section, and you can lace opacity 30, any area softly brush it, and I have brushed this area and remove this area. I want to remove this area this way. See, you can any of area this hard halftone you can remove. I do not like the overall area, so some of area I need to extra manually work. This is not needed. If you think you can do this, if not needed, so it's done. See, now is a great looking, is perfect. Okay, now I show you the how to realistic your photography, leaves and eye or others area. Select this marks making effect making and the brush tool, and now we can brush the area which area we need to sharp more. See the eye area and others area. So if I brushing our back support is supporting, this is the logic there. See, and I have some area little working, and this time you can hardly work, and I think it's perfect for me now. It's too good. Okay, now another thing, I need to transparent this photography, because my template support the transparent PNG. So how to make it? First we have used the marks, and this top color position, and select this back support, and Ctrl E for, or you can use the merge layer. Now this layer is the merge, and you can view the top photography, view this one because selection purpose, perfect selection purpose. Go selection and select subject button, click. Now your photography is a selection, auto selection, and I hide the top layer and our effect layer, select and marks button, click. Now is a transparency, uncheck this one. Now this one is a transparent. So you can do this step as it is my, then it's easy for you. And now we can open a PSD in our download folder, main file. See, there is a decoration template. This is the template, and background showing purpose we make it transparent PNG. Understand? I think you understand now. Your photo replace here, so I need to replace photo, this replacement. So how to do it? Double click this option and open a new window, and I move my, see, you can drag your mouse and move it our photo replacement position. So our template is high resolution and our photography is regular resolution, standard resolution. So don't worry about it, and transform tool use and make the bigger it, and middle point, or you can the center point, the head position. Then OK button and the tick mark and show transform off, and I need to save button, click is saving my main template. See, is look like great. Now the composition is great and everything you can control yourself. There is all materials is raw. If you think a border color you need to change, you can use our default black, or you can change it the white background color. Double click this option and you can replace any of color. See, any of color you can replace very easily, just to replace and OK button, click. See, it's replaced, but at this time I think is the white color is perfect. This is the top border option, so it's raw, and there is the folder, and this is the dark shade. You can use or uncheck this dark shade as you wish. This is the photo looking, and there is the background changing option. See, this is the background changer. Double click this option, you can change the background very easily. But I think the comic looking is this one is the great. So, and there is the comic background and texture. If you don't like the texture, you can uncheck this, and you can replace your comic background. Just use this template, uncheck this one and replace any background there. I just show you any background you can replace very easily. Okay, you replace your background on background and set. But I think our background is nice and perfect for this composition. Now I show you another effect, another photo, how it support, like this one, and I think everything is okay there. Layer, background layer and RGB color mode, and I just select and hit the play button. This photography is a high resolution, so it's need some time extra. In this time I will show you something surprise for you. Visit our site www.photoshopaction.net. There is the free file available, download our free file. You can download this site is our own free file. See the free file, you can download there, and check out the free file category section, and see available free file, many free file, many type of different type of graphics you can download there, and Photoshop Action, photo template, and others, and flash sale going on. Our all product are 40% now discount going on, flash sale, limited time only, and bundle is 99% discount going on. You can download the bundle license. We provide the extended license, not commercial or personal, extended license, and our all product is 3 license module. You can download any of license module. License include the download section file, profile, and check out the, if you purchase, and you can download the file your profile, and license is available there. And uh, check out the bundle section and graphics, all graphics and all price are there. And this is the our creative market shop. You can visit this shop, and there is our all product is there, and all product is fastly update in this site, creative market MRI studio, and maximum product is extra benefit there available, like extra update fast this site. So this product is available, download there, you can check out this. And now there is the maximum product we have discount going on, 30% discount going on, you can purchase there. And if you don't if you think like to QC product download, so you can visit our graphics river profile MRI Cocon. There is all file is QC product, QC check by graphics river team member, or Inverto team member. So you can download all file safely, and you can visit the our Adobe stock profile, and our all graphics materials is there, and nice collection. You must be visit this page. All link I have include my in this video description. Check out my video description. Is still working because I use the high resolution. Oh, please wait and see. See, it's finished now, and I check out the resolution of image size. See, is too large image, and our script work nicely. See, it's a large size. Okay, now I have click the all option, and merge it for masking purpose, merge. Okay, and selection, you can subject, click select subject button. Now is autofocus for your photography. See, there is the mistake, some area is the autofocus, so you can control click and is move, then is fix the selection. I think it's done. And now I have to click the marks point, and is a transparent PNG. See, and I want to move my photo replacement option, and see, there is no need to transform it because it's already large size. So I need to little customize or small it for hand looking replacement purpose perfectly. And file and save button click. Now my decoration file is updating. Okay, I have checked now. See, now is update, and you can save any format yourself. Okay, you can save PNG and other format, PDF format or PSD format. So it's good. So thanks for watching this video. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message, our profile, our Facebook fan page, our WhatsApp number, and email me.